Hey guys, what is going on? David here at Cannonball Repair. Hope everybody's doing well. Today, working on a push mower. Got electrical tape holding the rope together. Do what you gotta do to make things last. But we're gonna fix that. We're gonna put a new rope in it. We're gonna sharpen the blades. We're gonna do a oil change, regular tune up, check the plug, check the air filter. And then the self-propelled doesn't work. So we're going to be working on the self-propelled, trying to get it back working. So y'all stay tuned and we'll figure out how to get all this right. Replacing these pull ropes, I pulled the rope out as far as it'd go and I just stuck a screwdriver through. Move my arm so y'all can see. Stuck a screwdriver through there, that way it keeps it from winding back up. As you can see there. Okay, so pulled the rope out of the end here, pulled it out, clipped the knot off, just like that. And then you can pull your rope out. Push the rope up through the handle, comes out. I cut the knot off it, so now I can remove the rope, and I'll go here to my parts guy and get me a new rope. Here's that nice pretty new rope, 7 foot, that's what was required. We're gonna melt them ends, get them where they won't be so frayed. And it's a whole lot easier to start them through these handles. Installation of that pull rope cover is just like we took it off. Finishing touches. Briggs and Stratton, half a quart, 30 weight. The blade was in good shape, but that air filter and spark plug was ugly, weren't they? I don't believe they've been changed in a while. And no, I didn't just pour a whole quart of oil in there. It was a half a quart. Right where it needs to be, guys. Alright, one more thing to check. Now that we've got fresh oil in it, we're going to crank it up, let it run, and we're going to check the self-propelled. Make sure that that's working. Well guys, it's hot out here today. I mean hot. I put in a picture right here of what it is today. Yeah, pretty warm. Anyway, we had this push mower here out there and I was, test running it, fired up on the first pull. I got that video, but my camera overheated and quit filming. So what it was, we was diagnosing why the self-propelled doesn't work on this TORO. It's got the, I think it's like the personal pace, and see how that's like spring loaded there? Well, it pulls on this cable, and the tighter you pull on that cable, the less it slips that little belt down there, and the faster it goes. So the more you push on it, as you push on it, it runs away from you. Essentially what it's doing. So as you push on this, the more you push on it, the faster it'll go trying to run away from you. It's pretty neat design, but whenever it gets out of adjustment, it don't pull. It just sits there and slips. So that's what this one was doing. So if you have one of these TORO with the personal pace, I'm going to say personal space, but okay. But anyway, if you have one of these that has the personal pace that you understand, if you got one. Anyway, if it's not pulling, check, make sure there's the belt's still on, and the belt was on this one, and it was hooked up, and it would pull, but it didn't have enough grip for the engine to pull. So what you do, take that nut right there loose, slide that cable out. It makes the sleeve of the cable seem to be longer, so it takes the slack out of here, allows more tension. This thing runs like it'll run away from you now. It's fast. So I guess that'll conclude this video. I gotta go find somewhere to cool off. It's a little warm, too warm. But anyway, again, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you got one of these mowers and you got problems, ask me a question. I try to respond to all the comments, and I certainly appreciate everyone. So y'all be good out there, and try to stay cool. I can go sit in air conditioning and edit this video now. That'll be good. See y'all.